know, I'm sticking my bottom lip out. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. As always, I am WIGSLY, and I am damn glad to have you here. Today, we are going to be doing a review. This is the Weepro Antifog Visor Insert. Weepro actually reached out to me. They just asked if I wanted to review this. I actually feel bad because I've had this for weeks. I knew I was buying a new helmet with my new bike, though I already had it picked out. I wanted to save this for that helmet. And they actually sent me two, and the other one's gonna go on Nate's new helmet. My new helmet needs this, and I again bought a helmet without pin locks. Let's get right into the install, and then after we're gonna do a riding review. All right, so we are gonna need a couple of things. One, we're gonna need our helmet. Two, we're gonna need some microfiber cloths and some scissors, and then our Weepro visor insert. I'm not going to get into how to take your visor off. Look at your owner's manual. So let's skip to the visor off and let's get right into install. All right, so as you see, I have a microfiber towel laid down. I'm not going to put my brand new nice visor on my nice motorcycle helmet down on this table. This is a brand new microfiber rag. So we're going to go ahead and set that down right there. Now I have used this visor. I have touched this visor. It definitely is gonna have some kind of oils or smudges or whatever from hands. So again, another brand new microfiber rag, and we are just going to give that a nice firm wipe. We don't want anything on the surface of this visor. So the next thing is gonna be to open the visor insert. Now one side of this is going to be the masking side for the front of the visor so that you can position this correctly, and the other side is going to be the actual visor insert. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove the positioning mask, and that is going to be our red tab. There's a red tab here and a blue tab here. We are going to pull on this red tab, which gives us our positioning mask for the front of the helmet. So there are these little tabs here on each end that say remove. We're gonna go ahead and remove those. That's actually how we're gonna stick it to the front of the helmet. This has lines on it so that you can totally find the center of your helmet, of your visor. I'm real happy with that right there. That's centered nicely. That's a nice little trick they've got there. All right, so now we flip it back over. Now we're gonna take the anti-fog mask, and this has a sticky gasket on the outside of it. This also has lines in it. We're gonna match those lines up with the lines on the visor on the front from the positioning mask. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our finger and we're gonna go all the way around this outside, because this is like a glue that's gonna hold this in place. We wanna press really firmly. Now you kinda get one shot at this. I really recommend using the positioning mask. I really recommend taking your time. I've done this a couple times with different ones. By the way, I will just say, Weepro, this is a better material. I can already tell, like, this is made of better material. The packaging was better thought out. The instructions were better thought out. The positioning mask and everything, like, it comes apart better. I think I trust this more. All we have left to do is to pull our red tab off the front. That's gonna pull off our positioning mask. And then this blue tab here, we have our anti-fog visor installed. Now, if you don't know how these work, what this does is it creates a very small air pocket everywhere within the outer edge of this. So it shouldn't fog from your breath because the air inside shouldn't be affected by your breath. That is enough on the install. Let's go get out on the Harley and let's see how effective this thing really is. All right, well, the first thing I notice right off the bat is that you don't notice this thing. You kind of do if you're not used to it. This thing is clear, and it covers
the entire focused area of my view in front of me. And I'm really happy with it. This thing is of a much higher quality than the ones I have owned before. I have had 2 anti-fog inserts in the past. I used both on the same Daytona Shadow. Would I buy those again? Yeah, probably. Until I tried this one. I'm very grateful to Weepro for sending me out not 1, but 2 of these, because this thing's killer. It definitely forms to the visor better. It definitely is more clear and kind of high def. I'm happy with it. I'm rolling windshield down for this whole trip. I need to stop at a few red lights to kind of get the gist of how good the anti-fog really is. All right, yeah, so I'm sitting at a light. I'm breathing hard, and I'm aiming my breath up, and with a whole bunch of effort. You know, I'm sticking my bottom lip out. I can get it to kind of fog up a little bit for like a split second. Normally, if I was stopped at a light like this and kept my visor down, immediately I'd be blind. And you got to realize that pretty much all motovloggers, we keep the mouth vent on the front of our helmet closed, because otherwise all you would hear would be the wind all the time. I've still got the visor down, and I am pleased with the anti-fog that I am getting. This video was brought to you in part, as always, by Boomer's Bike Shop in Waterford, Michigan. This video specifically was brought to you in part by Weepro. I want to say thank you again to Weepro for sending me out not 1, but 2 visor inserts. We're going to get great use out of them on this channel. Trust me, it's effective. If you have a helmet that does not have pin locks, buy one of these Weepro visor inserts. I will put the link in the description of the video down below. Click that link. It helps the channel. If you order this directly from Weepro, please tell them WIGSLY sent you. As always, like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you want to see new content first. I'm WIGSLY, and I'll see you on the road.